even though tomorrow if I go broke, I don't think I can sell feet pics to like make money, because that's really not happening for me. So I know that this YouTube thing better work out for me, and I really hope you guys keep watching my videos. Varna main to bhooki marungi. Hello, this is Bosslady Shruti, and today I am super excited because मैंने नहा लिया है and I am going to go to Bandra Hill Road this time to do some shopping. I went to Linking Road last time and I actually wanted to cover Hill Road also, but time nahi tha and I got so like lost in the Linking Road madness that I couldn't do Hill Road. So today I specifically want to go to Hill Road because I feel like there they have better like bags and those kind of things. So that is what I want to check out today. And as you can tell, I am fresh out of the shower. I feel like समंदर में नहा के और भी नमकीन हो गई हो 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 हो. Okay, I'll stop singing now. But yeah, let's get ready and we shall go to Bandra. Okay, I have actually done my skincare. I've done face wash, serum, moisturizer and all of that, and I just quickly wanted to share with you the sunscreen that I'm using. This is the Clinically Sun Protect SPF 50 PA+++. I have been using this now for about 2 weeks and I am absolutely in love with this. This is the Clinically Sun Protect SPF 50 PA+++. This has green tea extract, so it soothes your skin and is perfect for my kind of skin, which is acne prone and oily, and it's also non-irritating and absorbs into the skin absolutely quickly. This is a dermatologist formulated sunscreen and is non-comedogenic, and it also prevents photoaging and DNA damage. And for me, this is my ideal go-to sunscreen on the days that I know I am going to be out and about and exposed to sun for a very long time. I have a full day of roaming around in the sun and all of that, so I definitely need to use a heavy duty sunscreen. This Clinically sunscreen protects from UVA and UVB rays, pollution, and even it has InfraGuard, which is a patented formula. It also has amino acids and ceramides that are nourishing and won't leave your skin feeling dry or dehydrated. And what is great is that they actually even have a video consult thing on their website, so you can get consultation from dermatologists to know what products will work for your skin type, which also I think is great. But if you're looking for a sunscreen which is heavy duty and performs brilliantly, that too for acne prone oily skin, definitely give this a go. Ta-da! I am now ready. I am wearing this jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. This corset belt, I can't remember if it's from Urbanic or Pretty Little Thing, and I am feeling all sorts of fabulous. So yeah, I'm ready to go do some Bandra shopping. Also, I think skin is looking juicy. It's giving me dewy. It's giving me life. This also goes into my bag and I shall see you guys in Bandra. Because So this is Hemali. She is one of my bestest friends. You guys must have seen her in my Buleshwar vlog. She was the one who told us about that. What is that? Kacha papad.
Yeah, I forgot what is that called.
So basically, ये ना full she knows where to eat and all. तो इसके लिए मैं इसको बुलाती हूँ. Basically इसका काम वही है to help me shoot my vlog. So yeah, let's explore Bandra Hill. Yes. मैं तुझे जाने ना दूंगा, मैं तुझको अपनी बाहों में छुपा के रखूंगा, तू मान मेरी जान, मैं तुझे जाने ना दूंगा, मैं तुझको अपनी आंखों में बसा के. I've never seen anyone who looks as stunning as you do.
This is very cute. I'm sharing it with you.
बस एक ऐसी दोस्त चाहिए जो तुम्हें ऐसे अपने सर पे चढ़ा के बिठाए.
Hey, listen, don't do this. I look very bad. Please, yaar.
Okay, please comment down below and tell me that she's beautiful.
Oh God, no, please. don't. You're making me feel very.
Only fishing for compliments, huh?
You're making me feel very this thing.
Very. What is this thing?
I'll never come with you.
What is this thing and that thing?
I'll never come with you.
All the single boys, Hey Mali Dave Beauty, please DM.
I'm happy being single. I'm very happy being single. No.
No, but some eligible single boys.
No, please.
मेरी जान तूने मुझको पागल है किया मेरा लगता ना जिया तेरे बगैर तू मान मेरी जान मैं तुझे जाने ना दूंगा मैं तुझको अपनी बाहों में छुपा के रखूंगा तू मान मेरी जान मैं तुझे जाने ना दूंगा मैं तुझको अपनी आंखों में बसा के रखूंगा तू मान मेरी जान
Which gets your vote?
I like both.
अरे both नहीं यार. Tell me one.
I think you go for brown.
I'm going towards the brown.
Yeah, brown.
Because I feel मेरे skin tone पे brown.
Yes, brown.
अच्छा चलेगा 2 पीस में इसमें बहुत अच्छा है वैसे
ये आप पहले
क्लीज पे भी एडजस्टेबल है
इनसे कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. ये ऐसे कट भी आएगा.
जाएगा ना फिट आएगा
ये इतने अच्छे से बता रहे तो मैंने बोला अपने करके
ये लेंगे
देखा.
सिंगल पीस या 650 वाले
I actually like this.
Yes, very nice.
Like it's giving me schoolgirl vibe.
Yeah.
Yes sir, present sir. ये मेरे पास.
तू मान मेरी जान तू मान मेरी जान मैं तेरी आंखों में उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं तुझे खुश मैं रखूंगा सुने मैं तेरे होठों पे खामोशी कभी देख सकता नहीं सारी बातें मैं सुनूंगा सुने तेरे दिल से ना कभी खेलूंगा सारे राज अपने मैं तुझको दे दूंगा मेरी जान.
So this is now obviously the next day. I wanted to show you guys quickly everything that I got, and I do have to say that I actually enjoyed Hill Road. I feel like Hill Road has a little more like trendy pieces, whereas Linking Road has more affordable pieces. So depending on what is your style or what you're looking for, you can pick and choose where you want to go. But nevertheless, I have some really amazing finds here with me and can't wait to share it with you. So let's get to the haul! Starting off with these two gorgeous bags that I got. First is this one. This is a classic black bag. I feel that this is so versatile. This has got all of these compartments and zippers and all of that also inside it. I love bags like these for sort of everyday wear, and I like these short handled bags because I feel like this length is very comfortable for me. I like the gold detailing on this, and I feel like it looks absolutely chic. Even this finish that this has, it's like a matte finish that this bag has. I absolutely love this, and I feel like it will look amazing for even like formal wear. So for 250 rupees, definitely worth it. Next up is this one right here. This is such a cute little piece. This is the silver one. I absolutely loved this. I love the silver. Like the silver in this is not too jhatak. It's like slightly muted, which is what I actually love, and I feel like this is perfect for like your party wear or anything of that sort. Also, it will fit in a lot of things because it's got decent space in it. So I felt like this is a good piece to buy. Also, this was for 250, so I felt like the price was very justified. And I love the muted silver color, and of course It can be, you know, you can wear it as a short handle or like a long crossbody depending on what your preference is. So a definite buy. I quickly want to finish the accessories before I get into the clothes. I got these two super cool sunglasses. I absolutely loved this pink one that I got. I feel like it gives me like absolute Barbie vibes. Ooh, yes. It screams Barbie doll. It screams bubblegum. And I actually don't have anything like in this color. I actually am not so much of a pinky girl, but when I saw this, I felt like I could style it in so many different ways that I definitely wanted to buy this, and yeah, I absolutely love it. Next up are these white sunnies right here. Again, super duper cool. I love the gold detailing over here. I feel like it's got that, I feel like it adds that really expensive premium touch to it, even though I got it for 200 rupiah. This guy selling it, I will put a picture of this guy over here. He was very interesting. He was selling these for 200, like fixed price. I tried to bargain with him. I told him, "Do le rahi hu to like 300 mein de do," or whatever. But still, he was really not ready to budge. He was like fixed price, fixed price. And I mean, I will say that I have got sunglasses for like 100 rupiah also, and I have got this for 200, and this is definitely better quality. The sturdiness of the frame and everything definitely feels a lot better, so I don't regret paying 200 rupees each for these sunglasses. Next up is this tie-dye crop top right here. Definitely tie-dye, as you can tell, is what I am into these days. This is what I saw. This was only 150 rupees. So I was just like, le hi lo. I was just like, just add to cart, yaar. Like 150, मेरे को bargain करने का भी मन नहीं किया. So, and I love the lavender color. I am definitely loving this tie-dye and this lavender color. And this is perfect for like casual days out. So yeah, love it. Oh my god, next up I got this super cool jacket. I am so excited for this, because in the tag it is written that this is Ralph Lauren, and it also has this patch here. It honestly reminded me of like a school uniform. It reminded me of a school uniform because this is like so like it feels like I'm the monitor of the class and I've been given this badge. But when I wore it, it was so nice and comfortable and warm. And trust me, this was for 100 rupiah. Like only 100 rupees. This was right opposite Marks and Spencer's, that little gully that they have. Behind that, there was this shop which had like a bunch of blazers for 100 rupees. I wanted to get another green one, but then I was just like, okay, let me not get greedy. So I finally got this one, and I absolutely love it. Next up is this beautiful anarkali. This is in that Angrakha style. I've been wanting to get like this style of anarkali, especially in white, for such a long time. I actually saw a similar one in Linking Road also, but I believe I didn't get my size over there. But when I saw this here, I was just like, I really need to get this one for myself, because I feel like this, along with like these really dainty jhumkis and all, is such a cute Indian vibe that I really needed to pick this up. I would say that this was slightly expensive. This was 750 rupees. For me, that is expensive when I'm going to Hill Road. I have like a cap of 500 rupees. I don't tend to buy anything more than that on like my roads, on my street shopping gigs. But this was for 750, and I don't regret buying it because it was so pretty. Next up, I got two really cute chappals. First is this one right here. These are tan chappals which have this spike detailing on them. I absolutely love them. They're also very comfortable. These were for 200 rupees each, and for me it's a huge pain getting like footwear my size. So if I get something which fits me and is comfortable, I'm just like, de hi do. Agar jitne bhi pairs hain aapke paas, wo de do mujhe. So flats are something that, you know, everybody needs for their everyday wear. I was just like, ye de hi do. Plus the color is very versatile, so must buy. And next up are these black ones right here. I love the chain detailing right here, and after wearing it I felt like they looked very nice. They've even made my feet look very pretty and like prim and proper, which is very difficult for any footwear to do on my feet because I have very like aise wala pair. Because I have very broad, like pretty ugly looking feet. So even though tomorrow if I go broke, I don't think I can sell feet pics to like make money, because that's really not happening for me. So I know that this YouTube thing better work out for me, and I really hope you guys keep watching my videos. But now मैं तो भूखी मरूंगी. Also, black is a versatile color. ये सबके साथ जाएगा. I love the detailing on this. 200 रुपया, had to get it. Next up, I got a bunch, and I mean a bunch of things for 300 rupees each. Basically, there was a thela guy who had just got like a bunch of his stuff outside of right opposite Elko, and he was like pick up anything for 300. So he had like a lot of these one-piece dresses, and he had some kurtis, which I think I literally got all the kurtas that he had in that lot. And one thing which I felt was an absolute steal was this jacket right here. Oh my god, this is such a vibe. This is this is a sequined gray silver jacket. This is just one of those pieces that you can use in a lot of ways. I feel like you can use it for like Western and Indian wear, and it can really amp up a boring outfit in a lot of ways. I can't wait to style this because I feel that this is going to be a game-changing piece. So definitely watch out for my Instagram because this is coming on the gram soon. Last but definitely not the least, I got this satin beige color crop top. This was for 350 rupees. It was also opposite to Marks and Spencer's, that same lane. They had a lot of like a ton of Zara dupes and all of that over there. And when I first saw this, I was just like, itna bhi kuch khas nahi hai. But when I wore it, I felt like I can really style this in like an interesting manner. So I felt, so that's why I wanted to get it. And 350 felt like a decent enough price. So that's why I was just like, ye to le hi lete hain. I have any cropped shirts like this. And I feel for me, it's always a task because ya to shoulders nahi fit aate, ya to arms fit nahi aate. So I felt like it was a good enough buy. I also feel that you can like layer it with something, you know, casual inside, like if you want to wear a bandeau top or something of that sort. And I love the color of this. I feel like this color looks very flattering on a variety of skin tones. So yeah, that's why I had to get it. So yes, that is everything that I got from Bandra Hill Road. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. Honestly, for me, the bags and the chappals, they were my absolute favorite because I feel like they were very, very value for money. And ऐसा type का ना मैंने और कहीं पे नहीं देखा था. So I felt like I got the best deal price-wise and style-wise for that. So that's why I feel like those are my favorites. But let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already have it, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.